Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can turn off low battery notification on any of your iPhone. So to do that, you are going to go to automation here on the middle icon in shortcuts. Well, first you are going to open shortcuts because it's not in settings, it's at shortcuts. You're going to select that and there will be a create personal automation here. You're just going to also select that. Once you're done, you're going to either scroll down or, well, you're just going to scroll down because you can't search for it anyways. But there will be a battery level section and you're going to select that. You're not going to select the low power mode. You're going to select the battery level here in the middle. Then you're going to drag the level till it reaches 20% because that's when usually the notification pops up for you to set your phone to a low power mode, I guess. Why did I go down there? 20%. So you're going to just select equals to 20% and then press next. Then you are going to add action. And then I'm just going to type in battery. Then under scripting, you'll see the set low power mode. You're going to select that. And then you are going to press next. As you can see, it says when battery level is 20%, it will set it to low power mode. So it won't have the notification again for you to set it to low power mode. It's just it's just going to automatically set it to power mode anyways. Then you're going to also disable ask before running. Don't ask before running. Whenever this automation is triggered, it will perform actions on your behalf without asking first. And you're going to select don't ask. You're also going to disable notify when run. If you do turn it on, you will get a notification again that they will run the shortcut. So you're just going to want to disable that as well. Once you've done setting everything up, you're just going to select done. And hopefully whenever your battery level is at 20%, your phone will notify you to turn it into a low power mode, and shortcut will do that for you. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.